Welcome to Only One Carry-On. I'm Jen. Today we're going to do a tour of the lodges at Château Mentone. There's more information about this stay in the associated blog post. It's in the caption below. Château Mentone is a hotel in the center of Provence. It's about an hour from the French Riviera and about 45 minutes from the Gorges du Verdon. When you open the front door, you find yourself in this little space between the kitchen and a hallway with the bathroom and a closet. In this hall, the closet has some basic laundry items like a drying rack and an iron and an ironing board, plus some cleaning items. The toilet is in its own little closet. And then the bathroom has a double sink vanity and a walk-in shower. There's lots of storage with shelves in the same closet with all the laundry items. The kitchen has an oven and it has this small little dishwasher. It has all the utensils you need for meals at the lodge. There's a little pull-out for trash. And underneath this wood piece is the sink and the induction stove. You can keep the shelf down so you can prep meals, or you can keep it lifted up and cook. There's a little fridge. There's lots of storage above with items you can use for preparing and eating your meals. So this dining space has a bench and 2 chairs, plus a little shelf for coffee and salt and pepper and dishes. And off of the living room is the main or the master bedroom. It has a door to go outside where there are lounge chairs and a small deck with a table for eating meals. The living room has a small couch with 2 chairs plus a TV on the wall. When you go upstairs, there is an air-conditioned loft with a twin-size bed. And off of this loft is another bedroom with bunk beds and a long desk. This room is not air-conditioned. The summer of 2025 was particularly warm. It was too hot to sleep in there, even with the door open and the air running. You can order breakfast to be delivered to your lodge. Just let the desk know what time you want your food to be delivered. For the breakfasts, you can choose what you'd like. There's usually fresh baked breads and pastries, yogurt, fruit, juice, jam, butter, muesli, or cereal. The estate has a variety of amenities. The only one that we ever really took part in was the pool. The first summer, the pool was too cold for my kids. They lasted about 5 minutes. Last summer, it was so hot, my kids spent hours in the pool most of the days we were there. The estate itself is an organic winery. They have tastings in the main reception room whenever somebody is available. And then the main restaurant of the hotel is Michelin-recommended. They have a set menu every week with 2 options, usually for the starters, the main, and the dessert. The menu tends to change every week. The nights that the restaurant is not open, they have a sister restaurant in a town nearby where you can also get a meal. So if you like this content, please hit like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.